The world's 20 most impressive agricultural harvesters. These machines are not just the shining stars of modern agricultural technology. They are the indispensable heroes of vast fields. Today, let's embark on a visual and intellectual feast as we explore these 20 agricultural harvesters that combine power, intelligence, and highly efficient performance. Subscribe to the channel and don't miss out on more exciting content. Top 20. John Deere S690 Combine Harvester. The John Deere S690 Combine Harvester is a giant in the agricultural world, standing 15 meters tall with a cutting width of 12 meters and weighing over 20 tons. Powered by a robust 600 horsepower engine, it delivers remarkable harvesting efficiency. Designed with precision and superior performance, it is ideal for harvesting crops like wheat and barley, known for its efficient threshing and precise cleaning, significantly enhancing both crop quality and harvesting efficiency. Top 19. Challenger Rogator 1300 Self-Propelled Sprayer. The Challenger Rogator 1300 is powered by a robust 311 horsepower diesel engine, providing the machine with strong power support, enabling it to easily reach a top speed of 58 kilometers per hour. The Rogator 1300 boasts an impressive working width of 21 meters and maintains a maximum operational speed of at least 16 kilometers per hour. Additionally, it is equipped with a large capacity material tank with a volume exceeding 6,000 liters, fully meeting the demands of long duration and large-scale operations. Top 18. Claas Lexion 8900 Combine Harvester. The Claas Lexion 8900 Combine Harvester is a titan in the realm of agricultural machinery, with a body length of 14 meters, width of 4 meters, height of 4.5 meters, and a weight of over 22 tons. Powered by a 790 horsepower MAN D42 engine, it offers strong performance and exceptional harvesting efficiency. The Lexion 8900's ultra-wide header, large grain tank, and intelligent control system make it capable of handling various crops such as wheat and corn, ensuring precise harvesting and efficient threshing. Top 17. Case IH 9250 Axial Flow Combine. The Case IH 9250 Axial Flow Combine is at the forefront of agricultural mechanization. Known for its compact design and high efficiency, this machine is powered by a robust engine delivering a steady 250 horsepower, ensuring smooth harvesting operations. The 9250 utilizes advanced axial flow threshing technology, effectively reducing crop loss and enhancing harvest quality. Whether it's wheat, barley, or corn, this harvester handles it all with ease, making it an indispensable tool for large-scale farms. Top 16. Case IH AF49 Axial Flow Combine. The Case IH AF49 Axial Flow Combine dominates the agricultural sector with its exceptional harvesting performance and stability. This machine, with its impressive size, is well suited to meet the demands of vast fields. It features a high-performance engine, delivering a solid 400 horsepower, ensuring efficient and smooth harvesting operations. The AF4090's advanced axial flow threshing system is precise and efficient, significantly reducing crop loss, making it particularly suitable for harvesting crops like wheat and corn. It is an invaluable asset for large farms aiming for high efficiency. Top 15. New Holland CR10.90 Forage Harvester. Designed for large-scale pastures, the New Holland CR10.90 Forage Harvester from Italy has a well-balanced body that is stable and powerful. Equipped with a strong engine, it provides reliable and efficient power output, capable of handling high-intensity harvesting tasks. The CR1090 is known for its efficient chopping system and wide collection range, effortlessly harvesting and processing corn stalks, forage, and other silage materials, providing high-quality feed for the livestock industry. Top 14. Fendt Ideal 9T Combine Harvester. The Fendt Ideal 9T has a sleek, well-balanced design with moderate weight, making it easy to maneuver. It is powered by a high-performance engine delivering between 600 and 700 horsepower, ensuring fast and efficient harvesting operations. The Ideal 9T integrates cutting-edge agricultural technology, including intelligent monitoring and precision navigation, ensuring accurate and efficient harvesting. Whether it's wheat, barley, or corn, this machine handles them all with ease, offering an unprecedented harvesting experience for large farms. Top 13. Russian Tuvtram R1000 Large-Scale Harvester. The Tuvtram R1000 from Russia is a behemoth on the fields with remarkable harvesting capabilities. Though specific dimensions aren't detailed, its immense size suggests a commanding presence in the fields. Powered by a robust engine exceeding 1,000 horsepower, it ensures efficient and uninterrupted harvesting operations. The R1000 is designed for large-scale farms, easily handling crops like wheat and corn, with its outstanding efficiency and reliable performance making it a paradigm of modern agricultural mechanization. Top 12. AGCO Magnum 360 Combine Harvester. The AGCO Magnum 360 Combine Harvester from the USA is renowned for its comprehensive harvesting capabilities and high performance. It features a compact design with balanced proportions, moderate weight for flexible operation, and a high-performance engine providing steady and powerful output. The Magnum 360 boasts a unique 360-degree harvesting technology, capable of tackling complex terrains with ease, making it versatile for harvesting crops like wheat, barley, and corn. Top 11. Tribine T1000 Combine Harvester. The Tribine T1000 Combine Harvester, a pinnacle in the field of agricultural harvesting, features impressive specifications and performance. With a unique articulated design, the T1000 is massive and heavy, showcasing its formidable harvesting capabilities. It is equipped with a dual-engine system, each engine providing 650 horsepower, resulting in a total output of an astonishing 1,300 horsepower, ensuring highly efficient operations. The Tribine T1000 comes with a grain tank capacity of 35,200 liters and an unloading speed of nearly 300 liters per second, greatly enhancing harvesting efficiency and handling various crops and terrains with ease. Top 10. Finland, Sampo Rosenloo Komia C24. The Sampo Rosenloo Komia C24 harvester from Finland stands out with its compact yet efficient design. The machine is approximately 8 meters long, 3.5 meters wide, and nearly 4 meters high, weighing around 12 tons. It is equipped with a powerful 300 horsepower engine, and its precise cutting system, paired with a 6.3 meter wide header, ensures efficient and uniform harvesting operations. The Komia C24 is designed for medium-sized farms, offering a balance of flexibility and high productivity, making it a reliable assistant in boosting agricultural efficiency. Top 9. Massey Ferguson MF 8690. The Massey Ferguson MF 86904 harvester from the UK leads the agricultural mechanization trend with its outstanding performance and advanced technology. The machine measures approximately 9 meters in length, 4 meters in width, and nearly 4.5 meters in height, with a moderate weight. It is equipped with a highly efficient engine providing over 400 horsepower. Its wide header design, coupled with an advanced threshing system, ensures both harvesting efficiency and crop quality. The MF 86904 is suitable for harvesting a variety of crops, making it an ideal choice for large farms and agricultural cooperatives with its exceptional adaptability and reliability. Top 8. Italy, Maschio Goliath Harvester. The Maschio Goliath Harvester from Italy is a giant on the fields, with an impressive size and outstanding performance. The machine is over 10 meters long, nearly 5 meters wide, with a moderate height, and is designed with a heavy-duty build to ensure stable operations. Powered by a strong engine providing over 500 horsepower, it drives high-efficiency operations. The Goliath features an ultra-wide header, suitable for large-scale harvesting needs, easily handling crops like wheat, barley, and corn. Its intelligent control system and durable structure make it the top choice for those pursuing high efficiency and quality in agricultural production. Top 7. Japan, Kubota PRO 688Q Rice Harvester. The Kubota PRO 688Q rice harvester from Japan is well known in the agricultural sector for its high efficiency and versatility. Measuring approximately 4.88 meters in length, 2.255 meters in width, and 2.55 meters in height, the machine weighs 2,600 kilograms, providing a stable foundation for its operations. It is equipped with a Kubota-manufactured V2403 MDI TE2 CKMS3 engine with a rated power of 50 kW, about 68 horsepower, featuring a vertical water-cooled 4-cylinder turbocharged design that is both powerful and environmentally friendly. The PRO 688Q is suitable for various crops, including rapeseed, rice, and wheat, with a cutting width of 2,000 mm and a large diameter long threshing drum, ensuring efficient and precise harvesting and threshing operations. Top 6. French QNFC 4100. The French QNFC 4100 combine harvester stands out in the agricultural field with its exquisite craftsmanship and exceptional performance. This machine features a compact design with optimized length, width, and height to suit various operating environments, while its moderate weight ensures stable operation. Equipped with a high-performance engine, it delivers stable and powerful horsepower output, meeting the demands of high-intensity harvesting. The F4100 is renowned for its excellent threshing and separation capabilities, making it suitable for harvesting a variety of cereal crops such as wheat, barley, and oats. Its intelligent control system and flexible adjustment options allow farmers to easily tackle the challenges of different crops and terrains, achieving efficient and precise harvesting operations. Top 5 John Deere Classic Series Combine Harvester. The John Deere Classic Series Combine Harvester has become a leader in the agricultural sector due to its excellent performance and wide range of applications. The series features a variety of sizes, with typical lengths ranging from 10 to 13 meters, widths up to 3 to 5 meters, and heights of approximately 3 to 4 meters. These machines are equipped with high-efficiency engines, providing strong power ranging from hundreds to thousands of horsepower, ensuring outstanding performance under various harvesting conditions. The John Deere Classic Series is not only suitable for harvesting a variety of crops, including wheat, corn, and soybeans, but also features efficient threshing, separation, and cleaning systems that can significantly reduce grain loss and improve harvest quality. Additionally, its stable driving system, comfortable operating environment, and intelligent interface ensure that farmers can maintain efficiency and comfort during long working hours. Top 4. Case IH AF Series Combine Harvester. The Case IH AF Series Combine Harvester is a leader among axial flow combine harvesters. This series is powered by advanced FPT cursor engines, offering strong output ranging from 250 to 460 horsepower, ensuring smooth operation under various harvesting conditions. The AF Series Combine Harvester is equipped with an efficient threshing, separation, and cleaning system that significantly reduces grain loss and improves harvest quality. Its intelligent operating interface and comfortable driving environment allow farmers to maintain efficiency and comfort during long hours of work. The AF Series also offers a variety of headers and configuration options to suit the harvesting needs of different crops and terrains. Top 3. AGCO Series Combine Harvester. The AGCO Series Combine Harvester is a well-recognized brand in the agricultural machinery sector, known for its efficiency, durability, and advanced technology. This series offers a variety of models with different specifications to meet the needs of different users. The overall dimensions of the machine are approximately 4750 x 2650 x 23660 with a weight of about 2560 kilos, making it easy to maneuver in the field. The AGCO Series Combine Harvester is widely used for harvesting crops such as wheat and rice, with efficient threshing, separation, and cleaning systems that significantly reduce grain loss and improve harvesting efficiency. Top 2. Case IH Magnum Series Combine Harvester. The Case IH Magnum Series tractor, exemplified by the Magnum 305 model, is equipped with a 305 horsepower engine, showcasing exceptional power performance. The specific dimensions and weight may vary by model, but they are generally designed to be both sturdy and flexible to meet various field operation needs. The Magnum Series tractor not only features a powerful engine, but also comes with an advanced electronic full-power shift transmission and an efficient hydraulic system, providing stable and strong power support for the accompanying combine harvester. Additionally, the Magnum Series tractor's intelligent driving system and precision navigation functions further enhance the efficiency and accuracy of harvesting operations. Top 1. Fendt Ideal Series Combine Harvester. The Fendt Ideal Series Combine Harvester is a leader in the field of agricultural mechanization, earning widespread praise for its exceptional performance and advanced technology. Taking the Ideal 10T as an example, this machine is approximately 10.2 meters long, 4.3 meters wide, and 4.2 meters high, and is equipped with a MAN 16.2-liter engine, delivering a maximum output of up to 790 horsepower, demonstrating powerful performance. Its efficient threshing system ensures the efficient separation of grain and straw, with a threshing rate of over 99%. The Ideal Series Combine Harvester is not only suitable for harvesting a variety of crops, but also offers excellent adaptability and stability, maintaining high efficiency under various operating conditions. That concludes today's top machines. If you have anything to share or any machines you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment. If you enjoy this channel, long press to like and follow. See you next time.